DNA is at the heart of almost every living thing. It carries the genes that make us who we are. This is how it works. The secret lies in DNA's molecular structure. DNA is made of lots of small molecules called nucleotides. Each nucleotide is built from 3 smaller molecules, called sugars, phosphates, and bases. There are 4 kinds of base, called A, C, T, and G. Millions of these nucleotides get strung together into a long chain. Then comes the clever bit. DNA is made of 2 chains held together by the bases. The second strand has a complementary series of bases, because A can only pair with T, and C can only pair with G. This means it's really easy to copy a DNA molecule and keep the sequence of bases exactly the same. And that's why almost every living thing uses DNA.